Hi, welcome to this little short video. This is a continuation really of this tutorial that I made. Well, it was quite some time ago now, but I just wanted to show you just a little development with it. So let's get to it. I'll just move that one out of the way. So what I've got here is a quick sculpt that I've made just from the base head that comes with 3D Coat. And as you can see here, I've got the voxel layer, which contains my information. And what I'm going to do here is just change the shader that I've used and just use one of the default cartoon ones, which will be this one, which is Toon 01. So with that one done, and the same way as on the previous video, I created some outlines on this. I made an outline on there, and then I made some internal sketch lines on the inside. So I won't go through that again. All I'll show you is the sketch lines, which in this case is volume 9 on this layer. And you can see there that what I did, exactly the same technique as in the previous tutorial. All I've done is changed my shader to a pure black and used the strokes to the muscles tool, which is this one here, and then just started to wrong layer, just started to draw some lines on there. Okay, so the pen setting is important, as I state in the previous video. So check that one out, and you'll see how to create those sort of lines. The update really on this is what you could do after this. So if you want to sort of create a cartoon type or a comic book image, then one thing you can do is use this as a template if you want to, is just simply hide the sculpt layer. And then you've got here your line work essentially that you could use to position and create angles for your next image. So very simple, but could come in useful for someone. So hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.